Welcome to the Exam Coach 11 Plus Exam Daily Vocab Show, where we build your 11 Plus exam vocabulary one word at a time. Before we get into today's word, here's a reminder that we deliver live workshops throughout the year for students preparing for their 11 Plus exam. These workshops cover comprehension, verbal reasoning, writing, and maths. In the last academic year, we helped over 5,000 students. Give it a try and improve week after week. Just visit the Exam Coach website for more information. That's www.theexamcoach.tv. Today's word is thwart. It is pronounced thwart, and it is spelt Thwart. Think th and then wart. Thwart means to prevent someone from accomplishing something. For example, you could say, Simba thwarted Scar's plans to take over the pride and become king. Or, the rain thwarted our plans of going to the beach. Thwart is derived from the Middle English word thwerten. If you were to thwart someone's plans, you would prevent them from achieving those plans. And this often means you oppose them. Do you see the connection here? Have you ever seen the Scooby-Doo TV show or movies? In Scooby-Doo, the gang, made up of Shaggy, Scooby, Daphne, Velma, and Fred, solve lots of different mysteries, hunting down spooky bad guys and finding lots of clues in the process. At the end of an episode, when the villain is revealed, they sometimes famously cry, "And I would have gotten away with it too, if it weren't for you meddling kids." In this case, the gang have once again thwarted the villain's plans and saved the day. Thwart is a verb. For example, you could say, after all the stress and planning, Zoe couldn't believe that a case of the chicken pox had come along and thwarted her birthday party. Thwart is defined in the dictionary as to stop something from happening or someone from doing something. Thwart synonyms include circumvent, counter, curb, defeat, foil, frustrate, impede, obstruct, oppose, and prevent. Antonyms include abet, aid, allow, assist, encourage, facilitate, help, and support. When you're watching TV today, see if you can notice anyone thwarting someone else's plans. You'll find that quite often, heroes are able to thwart the plans of evil villains. Have a top day ahead, and we'll be back tomorrow at the same time for another Exam Coach 11 Plus Exam Daily Vocab Show.